Everybody kindly stand. Mr. Escalona, please lead the prayer. Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, kindly pick up all the pieces of paper under your chair and arrange it properly. You may now take your seat. Class Secretary, is there an absent for today? Very good, perfect attendance. I gave you an assignment last meeting. Kindly pass it forward. Our last topic was all about different terminologies used in fish culture. Can anyone share what is biomass? From automotive. Yes, Mr. Macalelo. Very good. So another one, what is the importance to know the different terminologies used in fish culture? Yes? Yes, miss? Okay, very good. It seems that you really understand our last topic. But before we proceed to our topic for today, let's have a activity. So, direction. I have here a jumbled letters. If you know the answer, kindly raise your hand, and the one who correct answer will have a reward. Is that clear, class? So, thank you for your active participation. I hope you I hope you enjoyed our activity. So, I have a question. What is your observation about our activity from FSM? Yes, Mr. Balmes? Okay, very good. So, this is the this is connected to our topic for today. So, our topic for today is all about fish culture. So, but before we proceed to our discussion, let us first read the objectives. Everybody, please read. So that is the those are the objectives. I need your cooperation and participation to obtain them. So class, let me ask you first. What is your idea about fish pond? Anyone? From electronics? Yes, Mr. Kalaluan. Very good. So let's proceed to our discussion. Fish pond. According to the www.agriculturenigeria.com, the fish pond is a confined body of water where fish are raised under controlled conditions. Fish can also be raised in plastics, fibers, stars, and wooden raft. There are three main types of ponds in construction. These either be earthen pond, concrete pond, and riprap pond. So, this is the fish earthen pond. From FSM, what have you observed in this picture? Yes, Miss Misana? Okay, very good. So, the next is fish concrete pond. From automotive, what have you observed in this picture? Okay, Mr. Rilla. Very good. So the next one, fish riprap pond. So from electronics, what have you observed in this picture? Yes, Mr. Kalaluan. Okay, very good. So let's proceed to the compartments of a fish pond and each function. Who wants to read? Number one, nursery. Okay, Mr. Okay, thank you. So nursery pond is the smallest and the cleanest compartment. So next is number two. Who wants to read? Okay, Mr. Makalilo. Thank you. Transition pond is the compartment where fish are reared from pre-fingerling size to post-fingerling size. Next, number three. Rearing pond. Who wants to read? From FSM. Yes, Miss Alaras. Thank you. Rearing pond is the largest compartment of fish pond where fishes are reared from post-fingerling size up to marketable size. Is that clear, class? Okay. Next, number four. Breeding pond is the compartment where spawners are confined and are used purposely for production of fry. Do you understand, class? So, next, number five, catching pond. Who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Kaganan. So, catching pond, it is the purposely used in harvesting fish. So, next, number six, head pond. Who wants to read? Anyone? Okay, Mr. Scalana. Thank you. Head pond is the area that serves as water reservoir where water is stored before going to other pond compartments. So the last, number seven, water supply canal. Who wants to read? Yes, miss? Okay, thank you. Water supply canal is a canal used to supply water throughout the whole fish pond system. Is that clear, class? So, this is the plans and layout of fish pond. So, this is the plans and layout of a fish pond. As you can see, this is the head pond, nursery pond, catching pond, and this is the water supply canal, rearing pond. So, as you can see, the largest compartment is rearing pond. So, this is the legend of these symbols. So, let's proceed to the kinds of gates. Who wants to read? Yes, mister? Please read. Thank you. So, main gate is the largest gate that serves water. And second one is the secondary gate. The gate can be found in the large compartment. And the last is tertiary gate. This gate can be found in the small compartment. So let's proceed to the kinds of dikes. Main dike is the largest of all dikes that surrounds the whole fish pond project. Secondary dike is the dike that surrounds the big compartment. And tertiary dike is the dike that surrounds the small compartment. So, number 2, fish cage. Fish cage is structured base net that is either stationary or movable. Next, number 3, who wants to read? Anyone from the class? Yes, mister? Please read. Thank you. Fish pen. It is the enclosure of net or bamboo slats with sturdy posts struck at the bottom of water and used for the culture of fish from fry to the marketable size. So next is fish tank. Who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Salcedo, please read. Thank you. So fish tank, it is also be used as a breeding tank or conditioning tank. Can you follow, class? Okay, next. Number 5, Hapa, who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Macalelo, please read. So, thank you. Hapa, a small unframed net enclosed with the entire upper open. It is suspended by poles with upper portion extending beyond the water level to prevent the fish from jumping out. So next is raceway. Who wants to read? Yes, Mr. Lumanglas, please read. So, thank you. Raceway, it is an enclosure of concrete, soil, or added materials. The shape is likely of the canal through which constant water flows. Is that clear, class? Do you have any questions and clarification? So, since you don't have any questions, please complete the sentence. I have learned that. Anyone from automotive? Yes, Mr. Kaganan. Okay, very good. So, next question. What is the importance of different compartments in fish ponds? Yes. Okay, very good. It seems that you really learned from our topic. So, do you have another activity? Okay. So, direction. I will group you into 3. The first group is FSM. Second group is electronics. And the third group is automotive. So, create a plan and layout of fish pond including the gates and compartments and label it. Choose a representative in each group to present it in front. Did you understand, class? Okay. So, this is the rubrics for you to be graded. Timeliness, 5 points. Cooperation, 10 points. Originality, 15 points. And the presentation is 20 points. With a total of 50 points. So, is that clear, class? Okay. I will give you a 5 minutes to create your presentation and 2 minutes to present. Okay, did you understand? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, class, thank you for your active participation. The group who got the highest score is group 3. Do you have any questions or clarifications in our topic? Okay, since you don't have a questions, let's have a quiz. I have here a answer sheet. So kindly get one and pass. So read the direction carefully. And you may now start answering. Are you done, class? So let's check your paper. Exchange paper. Are you done, class? Okay, please pass your paper forward. So, for your assignment, answer the following questions. Write your answer on a whole piece of yellow pad paper. Number 1 question. What is a cultivable fish? Number 2. What is crustacean species? So, okay class, kindly stand. Praise be Jesus Christ. That's all. Goodbye class. Okay, thank you.